train for today. Overhead. Talk to you later. All right, good morning. We're in Calhoun, Georgia at the Pilot truck stop. The sign up there. We're pulled in right here. It's just starting a little bit of rain, misty rain, but we'll take a quick look at what we got. So what we ended up getting is skidded coils. We do have about almost 47,000 on the trailer, so we got a lot. We got one little stubby coil. You can see the rest are kind of tall. Now, what I did do is I had some heavy-duty plastic, and I wrapped the coils. I put this piece of plastic over the coils. I hauled bars a couple weeks ago before I went on vacation, and they gave me this heavy-duty plastic, and it was real good stuff, so I kept it. So what I did is I laid that plastic over the coils. These coils have a little sticker on them that will indicate if they got moisture on them. So it was just kind of an extra layer, because like I said, I got one I got a tear right there, and I got a couple spots that hopefully Tuesday, if the weather's nice, we can take some time and fix those tarps. But other than that, truck's looking good. We're gonna mess with all these on Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. We'll deal with all those. A little bit of mud on the truck, but nothing we can't handle. Everything else is doing pretty good. It is Sunday morning. We're just north of Atlanta, I think about 50 miles. So we're gonna make our way down through Atlanta, hopefully before everybody wakes up, and make our way down to Baldwin, Florida. There's a TA. We've already reserved a parking spot at the TA, and so let's get going. Talk to you in a bit. All right, let's get going here. Get through Atlanta before everybody wakes up. All right, hang on, I'm backing up. So there was an article, I haven't read it all yet, but there was an article talking about the paid parking, and that if truck stops, all the truck stops turned into paid parking, it would help solve the parking issue. And before everybody goes ballistics and says, how will that solve the parking issue? If companies could make money off of parking spots, all companies are in business to make money. You know, they provide these parking lots, but you know, if they could charge, just like a motel, you got to pay to stay at a motel. And if they could charge money, it would give them an incentive to build more parking lots, which would provide more parking. So the idea that parking is a right, that you know, you should have the right to park there, yes, but you know, some places, you know, if you buy 50 gallons, especially back east, some of the truck stops back there, you have to buy 50 gallons or you have to pay to park, and that's to pay to park at all the parking spots, not the reserved parking spots. And years ago, I'm talking 20 plus maybe years ago, that was kind of a standard at truck stops. The Petros, the TAs, was that you had to pay to park. You either bought fuel or you paid to park. So the idea is that if truck stops charge parking and they can make money off of parking lots, then they would build more parking spots, or people would come in and build a parking lot just for trucks and charge a fee to park overnight. And it would just, it's just a trickle-down effect. Eventually, the rate would have to include the parking, you know, charge for parking, just like when they raised the tolls on the toll road. I know it's hard to see sometimes, but the rates does go up just a little bit because of that, because they raised the rates on the toll road. See if this guy's gonna turn here. There he goes. All right. So when they raise the toll road, you know, the rates do go up a little bit. Tires are slipping on the wet pavement. You know, so it would just take time, but it is an idea that, you know, before everybody freaks out, oh, how dare they charge? You know, you can't stay at a motel for free. And yes, things are expensive in a truck stop. Fuel is expensive. The items in the truck stop. But you're paying for convenience. You know, you just can't drive one of these things down to the local 5 and dime store. I'll say Walmart, but even some of the Walmarts now are getting to where you can't park trucks at. So anyway, it's something to think about. You know, and if you look at it from a different perspective, besides the fact that, oh, how dare they charge us, you know, to park and blah, blah, blah. You know, if you look at it from a business aspect, just like I'm a businessman, I own this truck, I'm in business to make money. I don't haul stuff for free, and I don't expect anybody to expect me to haul it for free, you know, just because I'm a nice guy. You know, so, you know, if you look at it from a business perspective, charging money to park is a good business, you know, and if it doesn't work and people don't pay to park, then they'll stop charging. It's just like reserve parking. The reason you keep seeing more and more reserve parking is because it's working. People want to pay for reserve parking. You know, people want to plan their trip like me. I know the TA down in Baldwin, Florida, by the time I get there, even at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, there's not going to be any parking left down there. So I can go ahead, reserve my parking spot, stay at that TA, which puts me about 5-10 minutes from where I have to deliver, which is perfect. So to me, that's a $12 I spent on that parking spot. That's $12 very well spent. So anyway, all right, that's enough about parking. Let's get going, and we'll make our way through Atlanta and talk to you in a bit.
If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met? Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be as close to you as I can get. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment, I really wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? The feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. I'd like to fall asleep beside you on your bed. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment, I really wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? The feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you still got the time, I'd like to stick around. I'll make some coffee, let's take a walk down to the sea. As the sun goes down, we light a fireplace, and we can stay as long as we want to, you and me. If I could stop the time, I surely would. In this moment, I really wish I could. I hope you're feeling the same way as I do.
Alright, finally got some decent weather. Get some skateboarding in. Just taking a quick 30-minute break. Then we're gonna make our way back down to Florida. We're in Tifton, Georgia. Truck's looking good. Alright. We're over here in this rest area. I've been over here a little while. I was trying to be fancy. It's a nice rest area. Nice smooth concrete, except for one piece of wood on the ground. Hang on, let me turn you around. Except for one piece of wood on the ground. I was trying to be fancy and skateboard and film at the same time. Anyway, I ended up busting my butt and I cracked the lens. I don't know if it'll show up, but I cracked the lens on the GoPro. It's just this is like a UV cover, so the actual lens of the GoPro is right there, but I cracked the little cover, so it's bent too. I don't know if I can get it off. I did look up online though at Walmart. There's a Walmart near here, and Walmart, this is where I bought this one, was at Walmart. So I'm gonna see if I can get these undone, and then we'll go to Walmart and see if I can get a new one. But yeah, I was trying to be fancy, so oh well. All right, let me fix this. Talk to you guys in a bit. All right, let's get out of here. I was trying to be fancy and get a shot. I wasn't paying attention, and there was a little piece of wood on the ground, and it caught me. I busted my butt. I scratched my hand up. That's all right. It's nice outside. It doesn't. Well, it's smooth concrete except for the piece of wood on the ground. But I looked up online at the Walmart. There's a Walmart down here, and I used the Trucker app to see if a Walmart allowed parking. And I was reading the reviews, and they said there's a little dirt lot next to Walmart you can park in. So I checked Walmart's website. They said they have the part, so we'll swing over by Walmart. We're in no big hurry today. We got a parking spot, so. But I was just trying to be fancy and ended up busting my butt. Oh well, it happens. I did enjoy my my ride though. I got out and stretched my legs some. Nice weather. So anyway, all right. But you can see it's nice, somewhat smooth parking lot here. Anyway, all right, let's get out of this rest area and make our way. I had to make sure it sounded like the door was open back there. Make our way down here to this Walmart and see if we can park near there. See if we can buy a little filter. See what happens. So, talk to you in a bit. Alright, oh, big bump. We made it over here to this dirt lot. And there's a big old hole right there, so I don't want to go that way. And there's more trucks parked in here, so I feel pretty safe on the dirt here, hopefully. Let's see if we can get spun around here. And then we'll walk over to Walmart. It's a little bit of a walk. It's over that way, but over that way. How many times did I say that? I can't believe I busted my butt though. I remember I was thinking, oh, well, just be careful. Don't fall on your butt while you're filming. And of course, I did. Oh, I'll be all right. Oh, I'm trying to think. I was just at Walmart a couple days ago, so I don't need any other thing. The only thing I can think of is that lens cover. They sell those lens covers. They have them at either Best Buy. They're only like 15 bucks. I'll see if they got two. I might buy two of them. I will have a backup. Because that's actually the second time that I have broke the lens cover. So I think the first one, I scratched it or something. But so, anyway. Alright. We're going to walk over to Walmart, get some exercise, and then we'll come back and hopefully we'll make it down to Florida. So I'll talk to you in a bit. backed in, checked in, and everything. Alright, so I went to Walmart when I got, it's a UV filter. What it does, it kind of makes the picture a little crisp when out in the daylight. Let's see here, I'll show you what I got. We'll see if it goes on. It should fit. I just bought one. I'll order some off the Amazon. Off of Amazon. So it comes, I was trying to, let me see what size they are. So they're the same size. I was trying to, there's a little adapter on there, but I think I bent it and I can't get the adapter off. So luckily, this little kit comes with a new adapter. So it's got a little adapter right there, and then that screws onto the case. So the lens on the GoPro didn't get hurt. It was the metal case that I have on around the GoPro that I use, which is good. That means it protected it. So the little adapter goes on there like that. Snug it up, and then which one of these is the UV? I think it's this one right here. Let's see here. All right, UV. So this goes on here like this. Just screw that on. There we go. Almost as good as new. So that's it. Alright, tomorrow we're gonna leave here. It works a little weird over at this other place. We gotta call them in the morning and then they'll tell us when to go over. We're only about 10 or 15 minutes away. So that's the way it works in the morning. We're gonna deliver this and then run up towards Fort Stewart. We don't load Fort Stewart until Wednesday. So we're gonna find something to do on Tuesday, and hopefully the weather's nice and we'll go ahead and patch up some tarps and stuff like that. So anyway, all right, other than me busting my butt today on the skateboard, today was a pretty good day. So hang out. I got the generator on. I had to turn the air conditioner on. It's 80 degrees out here. I had to turn the air conditioner on. It's a little muggy, so do that. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.